The business must be verified with the Google search engine. Local SEO is a very good option. Here, Pure Fresh, we have registered with Google. It's a complete digital marketing system for local search engine optimization. Here you can see the performance of this system. How many views? 6,000 views in searches, activity you can measure, and all these reports will come only for the verified accounts only. Here customers can post the photos, videos they can post, and there is a post option, offer you can mention, and automatic ad update, add products we can do. It's a product and services section is there, and also we can measure how many people view this post, and they can comment and they can share the post to the social media. They can link to Facebook or website, and information section we can do all the informations of your company, and with the telephone number and office working hours, menu, everything you can do. It's a complete system. But the problem here, most of the companies are not verifying. They are, maybe they accidentally showing on the Google map, but they are not verified. So we need to verify the account with Google search engine. Arte Marketing is doing verification of local SEO for any business. If business having a registered office and account, and we can verify the account. Verifying account is very easy. We can do it for you, but it's very useful. Here you can put the products. Also you can categorize the products. You can mention the prices also, update, and there is an option of food ordering. It's a new option. So in this case we can do with minimum investment. You can do a good marketing for small business, restaurants, saloons, and transportation companies. All these companies can do with minimum investment. You can do the promotion, digital marketing online. And insights, it's a good option. You can see all the insights, like how many people search and which keywords they use to search and find you. Everything you can find over here. It's a complete system. The insights, in your insights you are going, you can see how many searches happen. In the green is direct searches, and how they are discovered. In the yellow section, how people are discovered, how many calls you got. These metrics are the last 28 days reports are showing, and also the Google Maps is showing from where it is coming, the location where the call is coming. So everything is clear, and you can do advertisements also. Google advertisement also you can do. Products you can mention over here. Reviews, reviews is a very good option, because customer relationship management is very important. People have the option to comment. Maybe it's negative, we can reply with them, we can communicate, we can satisfy them. If we have the fault, we can correct and make the customers happy. And when they are reviewing it, commenting it, just reply it. And in that case you can keep a customer relationship management also. Here you can see the products, the section, it's an overview. Owners can post, customers can post, and also customers can post videos, and you can show the interior facilities of your restaurant, exterior facilities, and the product listing. All you can do. This is a complete e-commerce website. Actually, it's a e-commerce website, and also it's a complete platform for a small business. You can categorize it. Pure different category products are showing here, and also a website is there. This website is free, but with the standard template only, 5-6 standard template you will get it. With that template you can make a website also, that you can share to the social media and in the WhatsApp group, where you can do it. And also you can assign users to manage the system. In the staff and all, they can take the pictures, they can take reviews, they can videos, they can post directly to the system. From the mobile you can access it. Mobile is